Guys, we have to be very, very quiet. We're hunting for rabbits. So here is my rant today. Putting dishes away while somebody else is still asleep. Because I'm an early bird, so it's really hard for me to not be, productive. So, please tell me how you do this quietly. I don't know if you... Hang on, let's see here. The big plate below all the small plates. How do you do that quietly? You're like, I gotta set this fucking plate down. Take all these out. Lightly set it on the big plate. It's so loud. It's so loud. Like, there's literally no way to do this. Like, one plate. Like, it's still out. What are you gonna do? So, instead of that, let's move on. Honestly, think about it. Anything you want to do in the morning when everybody else is asleep, everything sounds so fucking loud. I swear to God. Like, it doesn't matter what I'm doing. I could literally be handling cotton and somehow I'd be like... Alright, we would be polite to our roommates. Alright, so that's my rant. That's pretty much it. Every time I try to do something, it's early in the morning and I feel like it's so loud and I'm like disrupting somebody else. That's okay. That's alright. At least I'm doing something. Alright, everybody have a good day. Short little rant for me today. I just wanted to get that out of my system because kind of pissed me off, but I'm like, there's nothing you can do about it. Bye guys, have a good day.